Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to make external loudspeakers for your mobiles or laptops using these old toy DC motors. I will be using magnets and copper wire from these motors to make this loudspeaker. It is a good way to recycle old motors into something useful. To remove the magnets, just remove the internal pin. I will use copper from single pole out of 3 poles. For the outer cover, I will be using a 3D printed part. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can use this design and make frames from cardboard or paper. You can download all the files from the description box below. I chose combination of red and black PLF elements. It won't take much time to print all these parts as we are building a hollow part. After an hour, printing is complete. Parts doesn't require any cleaning as we are not using any supports. We will start by winding the copper wire on this small tube. Two magnets will be used internally that surround this copper winding. Remove enamel or insulation of copper wire by scratching the outer layer. Then connect to wire so that we will eliminate chances of wire breaking after repeated use. To make this powerful, I will be using additional 5 magnets outside. I will be using this small speaker amplifier to test out this project. This boosts the volume to a pretty much good level. I tested this speaker both in mobile and laptop and found that using laptop gives more sound output. This was all about this project. Hope you enjoyed this idea. Thank you for watching.